earth? The gaffer keeps telling us you're tired, but then in the last 10 minutes you pop up with a goal and an assist.
I think a lot of it's adrenaline. You want to stay on the pitch, you want to keep going, and thankfully tonight we managed to do that.
It's a big pitch out there, isn't it? That benefits somebody like you with all the space.
Yeah, it's massive, but it's a very good pitch. There's not many bumps and bumps and bobbles, so it was good for our style of football. We passed it well, we created chances in the second half, so yeah, I think overall we deserved to win.
Well, after you scored the goal after about 82, 83 minutes, it was all Sheffield United then. Could you see that there was only going to be one winner?
Yeah, our main aim at that point was to try and get the goal. You always don't want to concede, obviously at the other end you've got to be sensible, but we felt it was there for us and we managed to get it.
Two very similar goals as well, wasn't it?
Yeah, a good cross in from Ray for the first goal, and I managed to get myself on the end of it, so it's pleasing personally and as a team tonight.